Adding new space to your home is an exciting investment. Whether you're building a sunroom, expanding your kitchen, adding a guest suite, or creating a home office, every detail matters, especially the doors. In Loves Park, where homeowners value both function and curb appeal, proper door installation for home additions plays a key role in achieving a seamless design. The right door should look like it was always part of your home, not an afterthought. Here's how thoughtful door selection and professional installation ensure smooth design integration in your Loves Park addition. Matching your home's architectural style. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with additions is choosing a door that doesn't match the existing architecture. Even subtle differences in panel design, color, or hardware can stand out. When planning door installation for your new space, consider panel style, traditional, craftsman, modern, etc., glass inserts and grid patterns, frame color and finish, hardware style and finish. For example, if your Loves Park home features classic double-hung windows with grid detailing, selecting a door with complementary glass grids helps maintain consistency. The goal is visual harmony. The new door should enhance your addition while blending naturally with the original structure. Coordinating interior and exterior finishes. Seamless integration isn't just about the outside appearance. Interior design continuity is equally important. Your new door should coordinate with flooring transitions, wall colors and trim, interior hardware finishes, overall room function. If your home features warm wood tones, a door with a matching interior finish helps create a cohesive look. For modern homes, sleek fiberglass or steel doors with clean lines may be the better fit. Attention to these details ensures your addition feels connected, not separate. Choosing the right door type for the space. Different home additions call for different door styles. For example, sunrooms or patio expansions often benefit from sliding or French patio doors that maximize natural light. Guest suites or home offices may require insulated entry doors for privacy and comfort. Garage conversions might call for secure exterior doors with strong weather seals. In Loves Park's climate, with cold winters and humid summers, selecting energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and proper sealing is essential for comfort year-round. Energy efficiency for long-term comfort. When adding square footage to your home, you want the new space to feel just as comfortable as the rest of the house. Modern door installation includes energy-efficient features such as insulated fiberglass or steel cores, double-pane low-E glass inserts, advanced weather stripping, tight compression seals. These elements help regulate indoor temperatures and prevent drafts, particularly important during Loves Park's colder months. Proper installation ensures the door frame is sealed and insulated correctly, preventing air leaks that could compromise your addition's comfort. Structural alignment and proper fit. A seamless design isn't only visual, it's structural. Professional door installation ensures the new door aligns perfectly with existing framing and structural supports. Even minor misalignment can lead to operational issues, drafts or moisture intrusion. Long-term wear and tear. Experienced installers ensure the door is level, square, and securely anchored. This precision protects both aesthetics and performance. Enhancing curb appeal. Your home addition likely enhances overall property value. A properly integrated door reinforces that investment by improving curb appeal. A well-chosen entry or patio door can serve as a focal point, tying together old and new sections of your home. In Loves Park neighborhoods where homeowners take pride in their properties, this attention to detail makes a noticeable difference. A cohesive, thoughtful upgrade adding onto your home is about creating more space, but it's also about maintaining harmony in design and function. Door installation for home additions requires careful planning, the right materials, and professional expertise. For Loves Park homeowners, investing in seamless door integration ensures your new space feels like a natural extension of your home, stylish, comfortable, and built to last.